Today, we're setting up a tiered cart discount. Let's begin by naming our promotion. This can be anything you choose. As we scroll down, we come across the discount product section. Here you have three options. You can apply the discount to all products, a specific collection, or a specific product. For this demonstration, we'll add two collections, the jewel and perfume collections. As we continue scrolling, you'll notice the option to choose between a fixed amount or a percentage discount. This can be set as per your preference. Now, a key distinction to note is that you can calculate the discount based on a specific collection or product or on an individual product. This option is great for a mix and match campaign. For instance, spend a total of $200 on any items from the selected collections, hair, jewel, and perfume collections in our case, to receive the discount. The second option requires the customer to meet the spending goal on a single product from the selected collections. Scrolling down further, you can set multiple tiers. Here, you can add as many tiers as you need. For this demonstration, we've added two tiers. We've set the minimum amount and the percentage for each tier. Scrolling down, you'll find the discount combination setting. Ensure these combinations are enabled if you're running any other Shopify discounts. Scrolling down, you'll find the option for multiple languages. This can be set according to your store's needs. Further down, you'll find the product page widget and the cart page widget. You can edit the tier title as per your preference. You also have the schedule setting. You can schedule the campaign or run it continuously. At the top, you'll see the widget preview. You can display the widget on the selected product page or the cart page. This is how it will look on the product page, and this is how it will look on the cart page. You can customize the cart page widget and the product page widget here. Once you're done, click Save. After the promotion is saved, you can view this offer on your storefront. Now, let's purchase products from the two collections we selected earlier, the jewel and perfume collections. We'll add items from each collection to our cart. Now, let's check the cart. You'll notice that the tiered cart discount has been applied. A 25% discount is applied. Now, let's increase the quantity of a product. You'll see that a 50% discount is also applied. This is how both the tier worked. And that's how the tiered cart discount works. If you're looking for a discount based on the quantity of items, you can use the volume discount option. For a discount based on a fixed amount, you can use the buy X for Y amount option. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you for your time.